Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a watermark to your video in CapCut step by step. First, open CapCut on your device. Then click on New Project to create a new editing project. Next, click on the Import button and select the video on which you want to add a watermark. After importing the video, drag and drop it onto the main timeline. For this demonstration, I'll use a text watermark, but you can use your channel name, brand name, or any text you prefer. Now go to the toolbar and click on Text. Select the default text option and drag it above your video on the timeline. Next, adjust the text layer so that it covers the entire duration of the video. This ensures that the watermark remains visible throughout the video. On the right side, change the text from default text to your desired watermark text. For example, I'll type watermark. After that, customize the text by changing its font, style, color, and other settings according to your preference. Now scroll down through the text settings until you find the blend or opacity option. Decrease the opacity slightly to make the watermark look transparent. This helps the watermark stay visible without distracting viewers from the video. You can now see that the watermark has been added successfully. If you want, you can drag the watermark anywhere on the video screen, such as a corner or the center. You can also resize it by dragging its corners until it looks the way you want. Once you're satisfied with the watermark placement and appearance, your video is ready to export. And that's it. This is how you can add a watermark to your videos in CapCut. If you like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.